Alright you guys, so today I would like to give you my opinion on a ZOSI ZOSI security camera system that I just recently purchased. So I bought a 1080p night vision camera with DVR. This is the DVR, and it also includes a 1 terabyte hard drive. Excuse this, I have not quite cleaned up this portion of the wiring yet. As you can see, I've started by running some of the camera wire there. So basically, my overall opinion on this camera system so far for the money, I think the cameras have a great picture. When you price out these cameras individually, like you wanted to build your own system, it's a very, very moderate price, and for what you get, so far I think it's good money. I don't know how long this DVR will last. Who knows? Who knows how high quality this is. Currently, I do not have the DVR hooked to the internet yet. I'm waiting on a wireless transmitter so that I don't have to run an Ethernet cable through my attic. You know, I'm in Florida, and it's currently September, and these 4 cameras give me quite the hassle, and if there's one more wire that I don't have to run, so be it. I'll take what I can get, and I'll go wireless on the DVR. But the DVR comes with a mouse, comes with a power cable for all 4 cameras. That's this one right here. It comes with all your camera cables. Basically, I've got 4 cameras with this on an 8-channel DVR. The DVR is a little confusing, but it could be just that, you know, I may not be getting as good of a grasp on this as some people. But to start out with, this is the playback function of it. You can see how it was just a little slow. These 2 didn't quite come up. But overall, the night vision is fantastic on these things. This portion of my yard right here lights up great, as does this one in the top right hand corner, and as does this one into my neighbor's driveway. So everything lights up pretty well. This portion right here, the lights are kind of pointed towards the overhang on my house, so I got a little bit of reflection, so I have to readjust this portion on my backyard. But it comes with 4 50-foot cables for each camera. Each camera has a 50-foot cable. Now, I did not centrally locate this DVR in my home, but if you were to centrally locate it, you could cover quite a large amount of square footage with this thing. I have around 1,200 square foot in a rectangular formation, and I just barely, I'm talking just barely, this is all the slack I had left on one of these cables. I mean, it just barely made it across the house. But like I said, it wasn't centrally located. If you centrally locate it, you could really, you know, expand how far apart you could spread these cameras and still use factory wiring and not have to come up with any more. But overall, the install was, you know, it wasn't difficult, but it was very time consuming and just kind of a pain in the butt, as you would expect it being in the attic. You were supposed to be able to stream these from your phone, but overall, for the money, the picture quality, and everything that's included in this camera package, I would say the ZOSI security camera package is a great buy so far. I got it off Amazon.com, and they have tons of different packages. I'll show you one of my cameras. I got this style right here. They also have the dome style cameras, along with that same exact camera in black. I mean, they have tons of different packages, but check them out, guys. It may be an option for you. So far, I'm pleased. Now, it does not come with a monitor. It's just a monitor that I had laying around, but hopefully this video helps you guys. Thanks.